In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a contract in Pandadoc. We'll walk through the entire process from creating a new document to adding your contract text, placing signature fields, and finally sending it out for approval and signing. Follow along on your own screen if you can, and pause or replay any section as needed. First, start inside your Pandadoc account on the main dashboard. To create a new contract, look for the option to create a new document. Click the New Document button, then choose Select File. This is where you can upload an existing contract template or a draft you've already prepared, usually as a PDF or Word document. Once you've selected your file, Pandadoc will open it in the editor. Next, you'll want to add your recipients. These are the people who need to view or sign the contract. In the Recipients section, add each person's name and email address. Make sure the spelling is correct, because this is where Pandadoc will send the signing link. If you have multiple parties, add them all here now so you can assign fields correctly later. With your recipients set, it's time to add or edit the contract text. On the right-hand side of the editor, find the text block option. Click and drag a text block onto the page where you want to add or modify content. This is perfect for inserting terms, clauses, or any additional notes you need to include. You can click inside the text block to type, format your text, and make sure everything is clear and readable for all parties. Now let's place the fields that your recipients will interact with. From the same right-hand panel, drag a signature field onto the area of the document where you want someone to sign. Do the same with a date field so the signing date is captured. Place these fields wherever they logically belong in your contract, such as at the end of the document or under each party's name. After placing the fields, you need to assign them to the correct recipient. Click on each field and a floating drop-down will appear. Use that drop-down to choose which recipient should complete that specific field. Go through each signature and date field to ensure everyone has the correct signer assigned. When everything looks good, you're ready to send the contract. Click Review and Send to double-check your document, then click Continue, and finally, Send Document. Pandadoc will email your recipients a secure link so they can open, review, and sign your contract online.